Hey, welcome. If you've ever wanted to stop just using AI and actually start building your own, well, you are in the perfect place. We're about to build a custom AI agent from the ground up, and I'm going to walk you through every single step. And you know what? We're not going to waste any time. In just the next 5 minutes, you and I are going to build a real, working, custom AI agent that you can run on your own machine.
So what is it? Take a look. We're making a personal AI career assistant. It's an agent that's designed to ask a very specific set of questions to help guide you toward a clear and totally personalized professional path.
So yeah, the goal here isn't just to make a chatbot that gives you generic advice. No way. We're programming this thing to follow a very specific script, to gather key info first so it can give a truly customized career roadmap. And honestly, it's the perfect first project because it's simple enough to build, but what it does is actually really powerful.
So what's the secret sauce? What's the blueprint? It's just a simple, pretty elegant Python script. And don't worry, we're going to go through it line by line so you know exactly how every single piece of this puzzle fits together. Okay, but before we write a single line of code, we need the key that unlocks the AI's power, and that's your OpenAI API key. Just think of it like a secret, all-access library card that gets you into one of the most powerful language models on the entire planet.
And getting one is super straightforward. All you got to do is create an account on the OpenAI website, find the API keys section, and then hit Generate a new secret key. Now listen up, this is important. Copy that key and put it somewhere safe and private. Trust me, you're going to need it in just a second.
So where is this safe place? We're going to use something called an environment variable, and we'll store it in a simple little file called a .n file. This keeps your secret key totally separate from your main code, which is a huge deal for security. You never ever want to just paste your key right into your script.
All right, we've got our key, it's stored safely, now it's time to build this thing. Let's start putting the code together piece by piece. You'll see exactly how it all works.
First things first, we import our tools. You can think of this like a chef laying out all their knives and bowls before they start to cook. We're grabbing the OS library to talk to the computer, the OpenAI library to connect to the AI itself, and then the .env tools to securely handle our secret key.
Next up, we put that key to work. This little bit of code here tells our script, hey, go find that .n file, grab the secret key from it, and load it up so we can use it. And the best part? It's all done securely, behind the scenes, without ever showing the key in our code.
And this is the handshake. This one little line of code, client equals OpenAI, takes our key and opens up a live connection to the OpenAI model. With this one line, we are officially plugged in and ready to go.
Okay, now for the really fun part. We have a connection, right? But the AI has no idea what it's supposed to do. So now we get to craft its brain. We're going to give it a personality and a very strict set of rules to follow.
This right here is called the system prompt. Seriously, just think of it as the AI's permanent job description. It's core programming. We're telling it exactly who it is, a professional AI career advisor, and defining what it absolutely must do before it gives any advice.
And here are those rules, laid out plain and simple. It's got a role, 5 specific questions it has to ask, and 1 final goal. By setting this up, we make sure the agent's behavior is predictable and genuinely helpful. See? It's not just a chatbot, it's a specialist with a process.
So, how does the conversation actually work? Well, this simple while true loop is the engine. It just creates a never-ending cycle that waits for you to type something, sends it to the AI, prints the response, and then does it all over again. It'll just keep going until you type exit.
So we've got the key, we've built the code, and we've programmed the brand. I think it's time for the payoff, don't you? Let's see our brand new AI career assistant in action.
When you run your script, this is what you'll see first. A simple, clean welcome message. It's ready for you to start the conversation.
So let's give it a clear goal. We'll tell the agent our ambition. I want to become a machine learning engineer. Now let's see if it actually follows the rules we gave it. And there it is. Perfect. See? It didn't just spit out some generic advice. It immediately followed rule number 1 from its programming. Ask about education. Our agent is working exactly like we told it to.
So we give it the answer it's looking for. This shows a real, logical back-and-forth conversation happening, and it's all being driven by those simple rules we programmed into it.
And look at that, it acknowledges the answer and just seamlessly moves right on to rules 2 and 3. It's methodically checking off its list, gathering all the data it needs before it even thinks about creating that final roadmap. This, right here,
is how you build an AI that actually solves a specific problem.
And just like that, you've seen a custom AI agent come to life. I mean, in just a few minutes, we've gone from a totally blank script to a smart, rule-based assistant that is ready to get to work.
So here's the main takeaway. You now have the complete blueprint. You get all the essential parts, the secure API key, the Python code, and most importantly, that system prompt that gives the AI its purpose. This is your toolkit now.
Which brings us to the final and most exciting question of all. We built a career advisor, right? But you could build a workout planner, a personal chef, a travel agent, a creative writing partner. The logic is exactly the same. So, what problem will your AI agent solve?